activities today. We're in Westown Lagoon. We're gonna stay here for a day, so come with me.
Init ng panahon, palamig muna tayo ngayon. Magbibilihin lang ako, para sa'yo to. Sa aking papalik, dala ko ng paborito mo. Linasin ako, eto na tikman mo ang sarap na ito. Para sa'yo to, kasing tamis na iyong ngiti, aking binili. Paulit-ulit ko tong binili, mawala sa piling. Sa aking pagpapalik, dala ko ng paborito mo. Minamahal ko.
I'll show you our hotel room. So I'm gonna give you a room tour. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do a room tour for a really long time, and today's the day. Okay. So first, we enter the room. Sorry for the lighting. Lighting is not good. So I open the door, and first you see is this shelf and this bathroom. I'm gonna show you the bathroom later because my kuya's still in there. So first, in this shelf we have all our stuff, our bags, luggage, bags, and that's the power thingy, and this is a safe. So we probably put our valuables in it or things like gadgets, and also a shower. This is probably a closet and a shower. And then this is the bedroom. So this is like a I don't know what it's called, but you can open this. It's like a little table drawer. Put things in it if you stay for like a whole month or a week. So we'll just stay for this one day. So we put our bags here and pass it. So this is the TV.
A special day when parents give their
It is a marbly white table flat surface, and this is
this evening, but try to be patient. It'll be a surprise.
And guys, guess what? We have a mini fridge. I don't know how to open. Oh, there it goes. Oh, the mini fridge is working, so we can put all our things there. You know. Here we also have a kettle. So maybe we want coffee. And then this is one of my favorite parts in the room, but not like my most favorite, but this one. You know, I love vanities, and this is a vanity. Like, again, it's this marbly thing. I love marble desks. And we got a trash can of empty. And also, I love the chair. I love how it's designed, you know. Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, this is my outfit for the day. This is a jumper, pink jumper, and shoes. Sorry for the interrupt. I have to do that. So moving on, we're gonna move on to the bed. I love the bed. Like, look how gigantic this bed is. Okay, you can already tell that's really fancy because of this thing on it. Like, you know, this. You can sit here and watch TV. And like the table and the bed is so big. And there's Mama there. Say hi, Ma. I'm giving them a room tour. And so let's do this side. So this gigantic bed is so gigantic. It can fit like 1, 2, 3 or 4 people. So this is the painting, a master beautiful painting. Look at this. Guys, I am so sorry, guys. I forgot to show you the bathroom. The bathroom. So these are house rules. Just watch it and pause it so you can read all of it. I don't want to take my time to like read it. But yeah, I'm lazy, so this is the bathroom. Bathroom? Oh, it's dark. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Here's the light switch. So, ooh, it's actually pretty nice in here. I'd like to, you know, right here, but and so this is the bathroom. I love it. I can sing here all day when I showering. Okay, so this, oh, you know, it even has a hair dryer. It has a hair dryer. I would love to have a hair dryer. I'm like, but make a bed. So, look, it's me. I'm so obsessed with this thing. Oh my gosh! Wait, I'm gonna show you that later because no spoilers. Okay, so I love the sink. It's so like it's AF pink, and look, it has this thing where you plug it. They will always say like that. It's good. Broken shot. Someone broke it. That's not me. There's hot water, I guess. Oh, there's hot water. So this is hot water. This is cold water. Yeah. And I don't know what's this thing, but I guess this is where you put the soap. And this is the toilet. It's so clean. Ever. This is the thing, shower thing we're putting in front. And this is a trash can and toilet paper. And towel. And shower. I have to close the shower. Okay. Here we go. Shower reveal in 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. So when you walk in, I can't walk in because I have shoes on. But when you walk in the shower, so good. And guys, it has free toothbrushes, shampoo, conditioner, soap. But we already used the other shampoo. And it has its own conditioning shampoo. It's just what I'm gonna use because it's recommended. It's probably like so interesting. Toothbrushes. Oh my gosh. And yeah, this is it like that. This bathroom is not that much. So hope you enjoy and bye. See you later at the pool.
Ito ng tikman ang salat